Let's prepare to enter the silence together. What a blessed and beautiful word, together. I see our togetherness like a spider web, a divine ancient symbol. And that web connects every person. Connects every person you interact with. Connects every person you live with, the ones you love, the ones in your family. You're connected by that little thread. That's why sometimes you can feel someone else's pain. You sometimes have that knowing that says, oh, I need to call, I need to reach out. It's because you're connected. We are connected here in this sacred space that we co-create. We are connected. Every time we come together and we create sacred space, when we leave, that sacred space goes with us. You're still connected. Isn't that a blessed and beautiful confidence that you can have, knowing that when you walk out the door today, that your heart is still connected with the people that sit beside you, the people that hold your hand, that love you. We are together. In this moment, if there's someone that comes to your mind, that heartstring on that spider web, send them your thought of love. Send them your thought of peace. Send them your knowledge of our togetherness. And as we sit for a few moments together in the quiet, as you enter that silence, know that our togetherness is eternal and it is blessed. And as you breathe in and breathe out, as one, hearts beating as one, minds focused as one, that togetherness is with us always, and so it is.